Let's discuss remodeling in a flood zone. If the current house is below the floodplain, which we call the BFE, if it's an older house and it was built below the floodplain, then you're going to have to conform to the 50% rule. So the 50% rule means that you can only do improvements to the house that do not exceed more than 49% of the value of the property. Now, this is the depreciated cost of improvements. So as far as the 50% rule itself and how that works and the quick history lesson on that, click on this link over here. And there's another video there that explains that a lot better. We recently did one after the storms and I went into that in detail, so you can get a lot of information on that. My name is Greg Nelson. I own Nelson Construction and Renovations here in Clearwater, Florida. Feel free to reach out to us for any other questions. And thanks for watching.